Love wey no suppose cost a dime don cost you your all. Your bank account dey collapse like national grid before. No be greed. Person wey love you no go bill you like tax. My guy, use your creed. Love is blind but try to dey open eye. Na relationship we call am, abeg no dull am. Love wey suppose be symbiotic don turn parasitic. Dem dey chop your money clean mouth like national cake. You ask her wetin she bring to the table, she tell you say she be the table. Guy wake, e don tey wey you dey groom dis lady oo. Now she tell you say sorry, say you no fit be her groom. Shey na broom you be? I don agree say na mumu dey pay for love. Person wey love you no go check your hand before dem hug you. Some kiss no be true kiss oo. When money finish, you no be cool kid. I no dey kid you. Dis billing too much, she wan kill you? She dey see your call, dey reject am. But as valentine dey come, she don turn Juliet. Abeg Julie oo, you go soon become fool when she belle full. Na you dey fund her lifestyle, na she dey flex. Who be fool? You dey buy her breakfast, lunch, dinner. The only thing she serve you before day break na breakfast. Na you be her ATM, na she dey withdraw. Anytime you wan touch her, she dey withdraw oo. Even by 12 a.m. she dey beg for 102k like say na you dey mint am. You dey warm her account, another person dey warm her bed. My guy, use your head. Aunty Ejiro, come here. When you wan realize say e dey use you, person wey love you no go do test and run with your body. E say na you be the only butter for im bread but e still dey message Chichi for daily bread. You give am your heart, body, soul. E take your soul japa, story don fold. Na mumu dey pay for love. Make I tell you one thing. Person wey truly love you no go stress you, na peace dem bring.